how to create folders for saving posts in Instagram. So if you want to create folders for saving posts in your Instagram, then what you need to do is first you just need simply open up your Instagram application. After opening your Instagram, you just need simply go with your profile, which will be in the bottom right. Go with the three horizontal lines, which will be in the top right. From there, you need to scroll down a bit and then you will find an option of saved. Tap on it. Now here you need to go with the top, which has that plus option, and you will be able to create a folder or a collection. So I'll just simply go with demo, go with next. After that, go and select the post that you would like to add to your collection. Once done selecting, go with save, which will be in the top, and that's it. You'll have all of the posts that you've selected. That's how you can create folders for saving posts in your Instagram. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.